Hello, my name is Robbie and I'm a product specialist at Climbing Steps. Today, we're going to review the Freedom Transfer Patient Lift by Mobile Patientlift. The Freedom is designed to assist with patient transfer. From a bed to a couch, table or desk, the Freedom is ready to go anywhere. This is a must-have for caregivers and healthcare professionals who want the best care for their patients. Let's take a closer look at what's included with the Freedom. Before using the Freedom, carefully review the instruction manual for proper use and assembly. First, we have the base of the patient lift, which includes locking wheels for added safety when transporting, a footrest for the rider's comfort, adjustable height bars that allow the seat to go up and down, offering extensive range to match the height of your destination. The built-in hand control adjusts the height of the patient lift, which is accessible on the top bar. Attached to the base are ergonomic handles with comfortable and secure grips for the occupant and caregiver. Up next, we have the left and right seat, designed to allow the seat to enclose around the user, making transfer easy and stress-free for the occupant and the caregiver. The battery of the Freedom is located under the footrest and can provide up to 150 transfers per charge. A commode pail can easily attach under the seat as necessary. The installation process for this device is quick and easy. Let's take a look. To assemble, remove the two locking pins that hold the rear wheels vertical. It may be necessary to elevate the unit for proper assembly. Lower the wheels and reposition the pins to keep the wheels locked and in the lower position. These legs allow the Freedom to slide under the area of transfer. Now identify the left and right side of the seat by ensuring that the cutout in the middle of the seats are together. Pressing the black button on the top of the seat, line up the two matching holes on the seat frame and push down. Repeat on the second side. Once the seat is attached to the frame, secure the two seats together by using the secure locking clasp and seatbelt connector. As you can see, the seat has a cutout opening, allowing it to be used for toileting. It's important to mention that while the assisted device can be used to transfer to the shower, it cannot be used in the shower as it is not waterproof. To use the commode pail, insert it into the two designated holder mounts. At this point, you can begin charging your device by connecting the battery charger to the charger port on the inside of the footrest. Once charged, push the power button located behind the footrest to turn on the device. Now the Freedom Patient Lift is ready to be used. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the Freedom Patient Lift or are simply looking to find out more about our products, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.